You love spending more than winning. How much did you spend on subscriptions last month? Do you even know? What about that free trial you forgot to cancel? When did you last check your bank statement? Why does your money disappear so fast? A friend told me something wild last week. She added up every single monthly payment. Streaming services, gym, apps, insurance, everything. It came to $800 a month. She had no idea it was that high. Some of those she never even used. That money just vanished into autopay. Life Admin tracks everything in one place. You add a bill in 5 seconds. It shows every subscription you forgot about. You see exactly where your money goes. It sends reminders before things renew. You finally catch those sneaky charges. No more paper notes stuffed in drawers. No more sticky notes on your fridge. No more guessing at the end of the month. Your whole financial life fits in your pocket. You feel calm instead of confused. You actually know your numbers now. Make sure to subscribe now. Drop a like if this helped. Comment what you overpay for. Download Life Admin for free right now. Stop guessing and start knowing to do it.